Hello everyone, I'm back with lesson number 9 of class 7th of history. So let's begin with the chapter. In this chapter, we are going to describe people in the terms of language they speak, and also we are going to associate each region with their distinctive kinds of food, clothes, poetry, dance, forms, music, and painting. We are also going to discuss that in actual sense, the regional culture is basically an intermixing of two languages, like with Sanskrit, as Sanskrit seems to be a major source of origin for all other languages. Now, as a result of intermixing of the base language with the regional language, we can easily see that some traditions are specific to some region. Meanwhile, we can also see similar traditions are being practices across the region. And lastly, we can also see that some older practices are being practicing right continuously nowadays also in some particular areas or localities. Before moving to the next subheading, that is the cheras and the development of Malayalam, we should know that what is the difference between the region and regional. Region is basically an area or a country part or a part of a world in which people are living, that is called a region. And the regional means that whatsoever practices are being adopted in any particular region, in that particular region is called as regional. Regional can be further classified into regional dance, like regional cultures, regional food, songs, clothes, etc. Now we are going to just see that how the Cheras rulers introduced the Malayalam language in this Chera region, which is in Kerala during that period. Now we are going to learn about the Cheras, and we are going to see how the development of Malayalam took place over this region. So for this, we are going to take an example of connection between the language and the region. The Chera, as we know very well, is the kingdom of Mahodhyapuram, was established in the 9th century in the southwestern part of the peninsula. Do you know what is peninsula? Peninsula is a place which is being surrounded from all the three sides with water. Here, the rulers of the Cheras have started introducing the Malayalam language and scripted also in their inscriptions. As you can see in the image, that they have used Malayalam as a source of language for writing. In fact, this is the one of the earliest example which is being shown as the official records in this region. At the same time, the Cheras also drew upon the Sanskritic traditions. It's interesting to know that in all the temples, whenever all the cultures are being showing in the form of theater to the general public, mostly the stories are being borrowed up only from the Sanskritic books, only which oftenly served as the base above all other language, which means that all other languages basically originate in one way or the other with Sanskritic language. Surprising and delighted to know that first literary work means any manuscript or books in Malayalam in 12th century are directly indebted to Sanskrit. Indebted means Karzdar. And the book named Leela Katinam deals with the grammars and poets was also composed in Manipravalam. Manipravalam is a kind of language which is a fusion of Sanskrit plus Tamil language. Under the diamonds and corals, they just relate the regional language and Sanskrit language, under which the Sanskrit language is directly related with the diamonds and the regional language is related with the corals according to them. So this is the sum up of all which we have done today. So you can just note it down somewhere and just have a look over this. Thank you so much, and do like and share my channel if you like my video. Thank you.